Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on that $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. Welcome back, all my gambling apes. We are going hard right now. I did see us hit a 1.24. Right now, we're going to check that price out. ETH has pulled back a little bit, but yesterday I was looking at it. We're at about $5,400. We're at $5,100. If you would have got in anytime last week when I was letting you guys know when it pulled back to that $4,600, I mean, right now we're only X amount of days away from the casino being open. 2 casinos actually. There's already an online casino happening where there's games. Highly advise you guys go get tapped in on this Discord. It's always happening. There's always a lot of things going on. Right now, I also don't want you guys to miss out on my money bag alerts that get you the NFT course half off, the technical analysis course half off, and now I'm starting to do this new one-on-one training. Basically to show you everything that I know, and it's going to be very exclusive. It's only going to be 12 students a year because I'm only going to give one person my undivided attention while I'm doing my YouTube and obviously my day-to-day things or whatnot like that. But I want to give somebody my undivided attention, a couple classes a week for a month, so that will only be 12 students a month. It's going to be very exclusive for those who want to take their trading to the next level, those who want to expect maybe upwards of, $10,000 a month. I am a day trader. If you guys have been following me on my channel, you guys know that I trade on the NASDAQ and also trade crypto since 2017. So I've been doing this for a while. And right now I'm into this NFT market. I want to let you guys know that the NFTs are going to change, big time, especially with something like Gambling Apes right now. December 17th, the casino comes out. We're literally 8 days away from the casino launching, and we're just going to look at a couple prices right now. I'm just getting you guys understanding that these prices, they're going to shoot up like crazy the minute those casinos launch. And because the NFT market is kind of evolving right now, you have to take into consideration the metaverse and everything that's happening right now. With the metaverse going on right now, I'm telling you guys right now that not saying that other NFTs that don't have use case or whatnot like that, they're not going to be relative, but those people who had NFTs that were just JPEGs and whatnot like that, and they were cool and they liked them and they had a strong community, those are still going to be around. Don't get me wrong. They will most definitely still be around. This is a crazy, place a bid. Okay. This is a crazy ape right now. This is something very nice. I know the properties are going to be looking good. We got betting, purple, the Cuban chains, only 6%. Security, that's the close, that's only 5%. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 traits under 10. That's very good. That's very good. That's a good mark right there. But what I was saying about the JPEGs and the NFTs, those are going to be cool, and they're still going to have some pull, like those Bored Ape Yacht Clubs and a lot of other ones that were just cool pictures that, got a lot of people behind them. The floor price on one of those is $250,000. So you start implementing these casinos and gaming casinos, GameFi, that's the new word that you guys are going to start to hear a lot, GameFi, okay? That is gaming financial. That's just going to be the new word that we're going to have to get very used to, because there's going to be so much money that we're making from gaming that it's going to become financial. These games, these NFTs right here have real use case. I want you guys to get in. If you guys are my money bag alerts, you guys been known that I've been talking about Gambling Apes since day one. I also was at the Las Vegas event, which was epic. Shout out to all my fellow apes out there. That was so much fun. I participated in the poker tournament, which was pretty cool. Got 5th place. There was a lot of people there. So it was pretty cool. I had a lot of fun, and it was really cool to see something different in the crypto space. Like I said, I've been trading crypto since 2017. So to see this evolve to this stage that we're at right now, I am just so excited. I'm blown away, and I know there's so much to come. Facebook switched its name to Meta. It's coming soon. 2022 is going to be all about NFTs and use cases. These are going to be huge. These are going to be huge. They're doing events in Miami. They do them in New York. They do them all over. So this is just an announcement I want to bring you guys that we're still at the all-time high. Basically, we did hit a 1.24, which was a little bit higher. We're at about, I think it was $5,400, creeping to get to that 56. I could see us starting to pick up the price a little bit as the days go by, even with, and you have to take into consideration, ETH is pulling back, Bitcoin pulled back. ETH is not doing too bad right now, but you have to take in consideration all the, other currencies' dominance, and the apes are still holding. That's one thing that's very lucrative about these NFTs is the price of, Bitcoin and whatnot like that can go down, but these fluctuate a little bit different where they actually still hold their value very, very well. And I'm not letting go of my Gambling Apes. It's not going to happen whatsoever. I want the passive income. I want to see this floor price at $250,000. Yes, it might take some time. It might take some years. Who knows? We don't know. Come 2022, when we have a huge implementation of everybody on Facebook starting to indulge into this metaverse, and you're not going to tell me that people are not going to wander into casinos and gaming and all this GameFi space that we have. So, this is just a video for my fellow apes. We're moving along very nice. We see at 1.29. This is just because the price of ETH is down. The minute we get to 1.29 and ETH picks back up, this ape will probably be worth $6,000. So you guys don't want to miss out on this. Don't expect the prices to really be dropping that much. Like, you're going to get really, really lucky. I don't see that happening. A couple weeks ago, yeah, there was some lucrative positions. I copped another one, and I've been getting actually my family to get these apes because I already know what's going to happen, and I don't want them to miss out on this huge opportunity. So I've been talking to family members about, the opportunities that these apes are actually holding. Imagine seeing this. This is going to happen. To see a gambling ape at 2 ETH is not going to be something out of the ordinary to see in the coming months. It's just not going to. This is going to be one of the biggest turnarounds, and one of my, granted, I am going to be holding long term because I know that it's going to just continue to grow. But this is going to be one of those projects that will make the books for sure on the profit margin that I made, being able to mint one of these apes and also getting one later on. It's just crazy. And we're going to see them at 2 ETH. We're going to see them at 3 ETH. It's only going to continue to grow. Please do not miss out on this. Of course, this is not financial advice. You guys are more than willing to do whatever you guys want with your money. But look at this as a huge opportunity right here. Also, the money bag alerts, the NFT course half off, the technical analysis course if you're into trading tokens or just any NASDAQ stock as well. It works on everything. And now now I'm launching one-on-one classes, only 12 students a year, because they will get my undivided attention. You will know everything that I know. You will get my NFT course, my technical analysis course, and all my information that I know, all my indicators, all my platforms that I use, all my tips and tricks, all my secrets, all the things that I've learned over this period of time with my own money that you don't have to learn with your money. So with that being said, you guys know what's coming. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, later.